today it's April. It's mid-April, and the temperature is around 30 degrees. So you can understand this is quite hot. Even in Athens, you never get that high temperatures. But today I forgot to mention it's Sunday. That means that a lot of people do not walk, so they grab the opportunity to swim. So I'm gonna walk along this pedestrian. Let me show you. There is a pedestrian right in front of me. Here are the tram lines, and then this is Posidonos Avenue. That it's a huge central road and connects Athens to the southern suburbs, and you go all the way to Athens Riviera, to Sunion and the Temple of Poseidon. Okay. Oh wow. This is April, 14th of April, and look how many people are in beaches. Usually this happens late May, but this year it's 2 months earlier. We are in Paleo Faliro, which belongs to Athens. There is also Neo Faliro that belongs to Piraeus. So here, there, it says Faliros, son of Alkonos, founder of Faliro area. He was one of the Argonauts that campaign to get the golden sheep skiing. This is from mythology. This is corn that you can buy from the guys here. This is chestnuts, corn, and nuts. There's some kind of event here. Don't know. Yoo-hoo! See, there is more beach there. The ever-present graffiti. There's everywhere. Only Acropolis has skipped the graffiti so far. So from the pond, I'm in this kind of wall. That's why nobody is swimming here. Too many rocks. Okay, let's continue. I'm still walking by the seaside of Faliro, Paleo Faliro, old Faliro, and I'm exploring the area. And I'm back on track. Yeah, that's the pond. That's the other beach. Still walking towards Flisvos. Flisvos is the most posh and the most beautiful place to have lunch, to have a meal, a coffee, a drink, or just to stroll around. It's really beautiful. There are quite a few of those pieces of art on the Athens Riviera. You see over there? You can. Let's go this way because I want to show you. You see this kind of peninsula that goes over there. This is Castella, and right behind this area is Pireo spot, where you take all the ships to the Greek islands. This looks like a very nice beach, quiet, has this interesting rocky here, you see, very nice, very quiet. And there it's older people that are playing chess and backgammon, always. They always play backgammon. So this is interesting. So this is the side with the pond, and you see the concrete over there. You can't see very much very well because of the sun. this is where the Flisvos begins. This is where I'm going. Okay. Tess. This is a big chess here at another place. And this is, I don't know. This is Flisvos Beach, okay? It's much longer, and everybody goes to Edem. Edem and Flisvos Beach are 200 meters apart. If you go to Flisvos, it will be like that. If you go to Edem, it's gonna be very crowded. Smells like sea. I can smell the salt. That early in season, everything is so clear. Hey, over there looks very inviting. It might be a bit tricky to swim here because all those rocks, but maybe if you wear the right shoes, huh? Of Paleo Faliro, but I'm going there later. This building used to be the most hot spot for Flisvos 30 years ago. It's been like that for all those years. It's been abandoned. I don't know why. Probably there is some dispute between the owner and the municipality and something like that. This is always the reason why, and lack of money, of course. So I'm going to the start of Flisvos Marina.